health sector. As promised during the campaign, we are improving existing health facilities and investing in universal health care. This has been achieved by the increased budgetary allocation to this sector and the partnership with the donors. Our endeavor is to equip and post staff to all our health facilities in the county. We have resolved to ensure drugs and non-pharmaceutical are procured and delivered to all health facilities or hospitals. Already, with the help of our MCS, we are making sure the drugs and non-pharmaceutical are available in all our dispensaries, health centers, and hospitals in the county. I'm happy we were awarded the best county in commodity management by KEMSA in Western and Nyanza region. This means we are headed in the right direction, despite the many challenges we are facing with the drug theft. Bantu aminto amaliogo twagolire alichisachibyasa karibu milioni 100. Ayande ikiriti nyaktari, ayande ayakoibwa mpaka n'abarayi balimo cyorete. Lakini nkoba mulekande gagokumi. Over the past year, we have implemented reforms in the sector and adopted cashless payment system at the Kisi Teaching and Referral Hospital, KTRH, and all level 4 hospitals. After sealing the loopholes through automation, we are collecting more revenue from our facilities than ever before. At KTRH, when I came to the office, I found that this gentleman and the ladies were collecting 47 million per quarter. I did changes in that office, got a new CEO whom you saw here. He has improved the collection in that hospital from 47 to 180 million per quarter. You can imagine 140 million was going into some people's pocket. Lakini, I'll continue kuwa muleka. Mwanjemba muleke? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, in primary health care, through our community health strategy, we have formalized engagement of community health promoters, CHPs, as the first line of defense in healthcare service delivery. Currently, we are retaining service of 2,900 CHPs to ensure our people get health services at their doorstep. Through CHPs and national government administration at the beginning of the next year, we are set to distribute, and it's important to be noted, to distribute 1 million treated mosquito nets in our campaign to eradicate malaria. Abantu wami ndoto yangu kwaneke. Kwansira tariki 27-28 wiko mwaka moya. Nkoina natole chinet chiumbu emiliyoni kirumo chi okonyora chineti isato enkubasaba abantu baminto gusiyengima mubasa koira chineti ekimokikobekera mugondo ekiera nkibwate elyogo mochikorose ebiti cyane chineti eki toyiwana ine chineti kirinji bwate elyogo mubasa kwenda kobekese kinye ni muri abasakoli igo chineti ne chokorara chok. Allow me to continue. Each household will receive 3 mosquito nets, and I urge the public to use the nets for the intended purpose to give value for investment. Besides investing heavily in improving service delivery at KTRH, our premier referral hospital, and in the sub-counties, we have set aside substantial resources to complete various projects in all 45 wards to ensure that our people get